Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making beetroot quinoa noodles with mushrooms. Weight loss noodles, weight loss dinner recipe. Boil the water 2 cups, salt as per taste, oil 1 to 2 drops. Boil the noodles for 2 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Oil 2 tablespoons. Mushroom 1 cup chopped. Mixed vegetables, carrot, beans, cabbage, carrot. Salt as per taste. Red chili flakes. Saute the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add boiled noodles. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Hot sauce 1 tablespoon. Szechuan noodles powder half tablespoon, optional. Mix everything. Now enjoy the noodles, vegetable noodles for weight loss, quinoa beetroot noodles. Thanks for watching. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.